All right, getting ready to go camping, loaded up. Going to pick up Rooster's hunting buddy, his little brother Boone from Oklahoma. And we're going to camp up there while we're there.
He's excited. We're excited.
Loading everybody up here. Emily, you ready to go camping? Say yeah! Yeah, cute. All right, ready? Here we go, baby boy. Off to Oklahoma.
An hour into the trip, we've got 2 already passed out.
Wow.
Go scream, Mama. Hey, Rooster.
It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Boink.
What are you doing? The garbage is back again.
What? This garbage is back. This garbage is back again. Get rid of it.
What are you doing back here? This garbage is back again. This garbage is back again. Right back in the garbage bin.
Whoops. Whoa. Okay. Come. You pooped? Are you done being garbage? Are you done? Nope, we're not done.
Is that garbage back again? Is that garbage back again? Is this garbage back again? This garbage is back again. Oh, that was great. Gonna get thrown away one more time.
Alright, let's go to bed before she just wants to go to bed.
Mama Lacey.
Rinley. Hello. Say hello. We're gonna go hiking.
Alright, so we're going to hike the kite trail in the Wichita Mountains National Wildlife Refuge. So Boone has figured out how to go hiking the easy way. Be a cute puppy that's sleepy, and you get a ride in the papoose. My turn, Mama. My turn. All right, so we just did the kite trail. Walked from the Lost Lake picnic area down to the Boulder picnic area. So it's a 1.1 mile hike, and you can probably hear the fighter jets going over now. They got some, like a training area or something. So I saw some T-38s and then either some F-22s or F-35s or something flying around. So pretty cool.
Two crashed babies from their hike. Just saying hi to everything.
Texas plains where the white skies call. From our homestead hangar we answer one and all. An airplane on the runway with a Bible in the seat, loading up the gospel for souls we're gonna meet. Texas and mission, lifting high.